This is Yashwanth from SumedhaIT. I'm the manager for marketing and business development in my organization. SumedhaIT is into VLSI space from past 5 years. Actually, we are standing as the market leaders, paving path for many of the engineers towards semiconductor industry. So our target audience are basically electronic graduates. So we skilled more than 1500 students till now from past 5 years who are very successful alumni spread across all over the companies in the country. Our admission process before ExtraaEdge, basically we used to have LMS. So it's a very typical LMS. Through that LMS, we have few plugins for sales also. So through those, we try to track all the leads and all, but that's not a very efficient way of using CRM. So yeah, that's basically a database sort of a thing that what we use priorly. This ExtraaEdge CRM, so this turned out to be a game changer for all our counseling team. So the basic thing, the thing that what ExtraaEdge CRM, like the CRM what helped us is the lead spillage. There is zero lead spillage after we using CRM, and the effective use of the CRM gave us a better edge for communication also. We have multiple touch points to reach out to people, having track of them, giving lead score and all these things. The working experience with this ExtraaEdge people were fabulous. The bright spot about them is we having a point of contact. So the point of contacts are always available for us, and they supported in all the ways also. So they conducted few sessions for my team to review them, to help them, to suggest them, to assist them and all these things also. They stood as a torch bearers, even because for our companies, companies like us, we don't have a very free hands on this CRM sort of a thing. But initially it took a while for us to handle this transition. But right after that moment, the CRM, the CS people from ExtraaEdge had played a very great role supporting us from all the ways. We are so happy, this can be a bright spot that where I can tell that bang on that we are liking ExtraaEdge. Yeah, while coming to the onboarding experience of the CRM, so we had very productive sessions in the initial times. So as I said, my company, the counselors, the team, what we have is very new for this CRM culture. So, but through these trainings, through these progress meetings, through these review meetings and all, it helped us, it laid us a very free, smooth path for us to use the CRM. So we started feeling the CRM is adding so much value for our work, and it's being very hand in hand sort of a work to track every of the activities, what counselor is doing, what student is getting, and while coming to the post sales also, we have seen a very great experience what my counselors and the students are also going through. I definitely tell that ExtraaEdge CRM is one of the valuation for my company, and definitely I will obviously recommend this because the ample number of modules what they have. So I'm flabbergasted, to be honest to tell you, because what happened was you ask anything, they have it. I was asking about fee module, they have it. I was asking about the tracking module, they have it. The mailing module, they have it. So I'm so happy using all these modules. There is way more for me to explore in CRM also. My team is efficiently using these campaigns, marketing campaigns, touch points, all these things also. So we are very happy. There are very, ample number of modules that we didn't explore, and this CRM is one-stop solution for all my counseling activities and for all the lead tracking details of the students also. We are having very smooth working culture just because of this CRM.